ABECE as a business, we are specialized as a partner to the worldwide concrete roof tile industry. We supply everything from small machines to complete, fully automatic, high-speed production plants anywhere in the world. At ABECE, we work together as a big team, from product development to sales, after sales, our production and supply chain. In all parts of ABECE, we are dependent on this information, that it is correct and up to date of the latest version. The integration link between the SolidWorks PDM system and the Monitor ERP system gives us that confidence in our business.
Before we started using SolidWorks PDM and Monitor, we used to create a PDF file from SolidWorks and type boom list by hand. That was time-consuming and had a risk of human errors. SolidEngineer helped us implement our database into the PDM system. Together we created a workflow in the PDM system that suited ABECE.
It saves a lot of time and effort in all parts of our company.